Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an automation in Airtable, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm within my base on Airtable, and I'm on table 1, and I'm going to go into automations over here. This is where you're going to be making your automation. And now, of course, to make an automation, you do need to add a trigger first, and for that, we'll see when a record matches conditions. And then you need to add advanced logic or action. So I'm just going to add an action. And as you can see, you can send an email, create a record. I'll just say create record, for example. And I'll configure this one since you need to configure it. Select the table 1, add condition when test is checked off. That should be it. And now condition this, select the table, click table 1, field test. And that should be it. And yeah, that is all there is to it. Actually, I'll change this from test to, I don't know, name. Set name to, I don't know, test 1. And that should be it. Now that we have this automation, you can test this step by generating a preview or running as configured. So we can run the test. And as you can see, the name has been set. And now if I go over into data, it isn't live, so you need to switch it to on. And now that it's on, we can then click this, and it should create a record with test 1, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.